Can't sleep? PEMF might be the best sleep hack that you never heard of. Hi everyone, I'm Mike McPherson, co-owner of Align and PEMF Technologies. If you're like most people, you tried everything to fix your sleep. Blue light glasses, CBD, hot tea, melatonin, breath work, sleep apps that feel like monks whispering in the rainforest. And yet you're still laying there at 2 a.m. asking yourself, why can't I sleep when I'm this exhausted? Here's the truth. Your body isn't broken. Your nervous system is just stuck in overdrive. Enter PEMF or pulsed electromagnetic field therapy. Now, before you roll your eyes and think I'm about to pitch you some sci-fi sleep pod, let me explain what PEMF really is. It's a natural, non-invasive way to calm your nervous system, recharge your cells, and reset your sleep rhythms without drugs, supplements, or the side effects they come with. Think of your body like a phone with 47 apps running all at once and 3% battery life. It wants to sleep, but it's overwhelmed and it's frazzled, and it's running on empty. PEMF works by sending gentle electromagnetic pulses through your body, helping your cells restore their energy, and more importantly, helping your brain shift from beta waves, which is alert, anxious, and stressed, to alpha and theta waves, which is relaxed, dreamy, and sleepy. This is where the magic happens. Your nervous system calms down, cortisol levels drop, your brain produces more melatonin naturally, and your body gets the green light to enter deep restorative sleep. You don't just fall asleep faster, you stay asleep longer. You wake up actually feeling rested. Now imagine that. And no, this is not new age fluff. This tech has been used by NASA to help astronauts recover and regulate their sleep after being in space. If it can recalibrate someone who's been floating in zero gravity on a space shuttle, it can probably help you after a long day of Zoom calls and doom scrolling. I've seen people who haven't slept more than 3 hours a night in years try PEMF and then suddenly start logging 7 to 8 hours. And no, not because I hypnotized them, but because their body finally felt safe enough to rest. That's what PEMF does. It creates safety and calmness and coherence in the body. And when your body feels safe, it sleeps. So if you're tired of being tired and you're even more tired of trying stuff that doesn't work, give PEMF a shot. It's not just the missing link in your sleep routine. It might just be the reset button your body's been begging for. So I say, sweet dreams finally.